If you are a senior living alone, this video may change your entire life, because today you will hear a routine that not only protects your health, but restores your energy, improves your mood, and gives you a powerful reason to wake up every morning. Many seniors in the USA quietly struggle with loneliness, joint pain, slow mornings, and low motivation. But the truth is, your age is not the problem. Your routine is . And once you fix the routine, your life changes from the moment you open your eyes. Let's begin. Scene 1, the wake-up trigger. When you wake up, do not reach for your phone. Do not lie down thinking about yesterday. Instead, sit up slowly, place your feet on the floor, and say one simple line. Today, I take control. This is your first pattern interrupt. Your brain shifts from survival mode to active mode. Seen too light before? Anything. Open your curtains and let natural light touch your eyes. Seniors living alone often stay indoors too much, which confuses the body clock. Just 2 minutes of morning sunlight improves mood, energy, and sleep at night. Scene 3, the 5-minute mobility warm-up. If you move early, you stay active all day. If you don't, the day becomes heavy. Do for simple movements, neck circles, shoulder rolls, ankle rotations, and slow side stretches. Your body wakes up, your joints open, and your blood starts moving. Scene 4, the most important drink of the day. Not tea, not coffee, but warm water. Warm water wakes your digestion, improves metabolism, reduces stiffness, and makes you feel alive again. Scene 5, the 10-minute gratitude walk. Walk slowly inside your home or outside if possible, and think of 5 things you are grateful for. Loneliness disappears when gratitude appears. Your mind stops searching for what's missing and starts focusing on what's still beautiful. This one habit can fight depression for many seniors. Scene 6, the senior power breakfast. The best breakfast is simple. Protein, fiber, healthy fat. This keeps your energy stable and prevents afternoon crashes. Eggs, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, toast simple, balanced, powerful. Scene 7, the one social connection. Seniors living alone must hear at least one human voice every day. Even for 2 minutes, call a friend, a sibling, anyone. Human conversation keeps the brain sharp and prevents emotional isolation. Scene 8, the brain challenge. Spend 10 minutes daily on something that makes your brain work. A puzzle, reading, a memory game, a new hobby, or learning a small skill. This builds new brain pathways and protects you from cognitive decline. Scene 9, the 20-minute activity block. Do one activity for 20 minutes. Gardening, cleaning a corner, organizing your room, cooking something light, walking outside, or visiting a nearby store. These small tasks give your brain purpose and keep loneliness away. Scene 10, hydration reminder. Most seniors drink water only when they feel thirsty, but age reduces the thirst signal. Set a reminder every 2 hours. Water keeps your joints comfortable, digestion smooth, and your brain awake. Scene 11, the healthy lunch rule. Lunch should be lighter than dinner. Half plate vegetables, quarter protein, and quarter carbs. Simple, balanced, digestible. Scene 12, the 10-minute power rest. Do not sleep long. Just sit for 10 minutes. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. This resets your energy like a phone recharge. Scene 13, the sunset walk. Evening loneliness hits hardest, so evening movement is essential. Walk for 10 minutes. Look at the sky, let your mind cool down. This walk fights anxiety, prevents muscle loss, and improves sleep. Scene 14, light strength training. Just 5 minutes, wall push-ups, chest to stand, and light dumbbell or water bottle lifts. After 50, muscle disappears fast. Strength training slows aging and keeps you independent. Scene 15, the anti-loneliness habit. Talk to someone, message someone, or join an online community. A single human connection at sunset improves emotional health more than anything else. Scene 16, the comfort dinner. Your dinner should feel warm and soothing. Soups, vegetables, baked chicken, lentils, warm rice. Eat slowly, let your mind relax. Scene 17, the no screen hour. 1 hour before bed, no phone, no TV, no noise. Just calm time, soft light, and deep breaths. Your brain resets and stress melts away. Scene 18, the book ritual. Read for 5 minutes before sleep. Reading slows the heart rate and clears the mind. It's like therapy without a therapist. Scene 19, the final thought before you sleep. Say, I did my best today, and tomorrow, I rise again. This improves sleep quality and emotional peace. Living alone does not mean living lonely. Living alone means you are strong, independent, and capable. You just need a routine that reminds you of your strength every day. This routine is not just a schedule, it's a lifeline. It keeps your body active, your mind sharp, and your heart hopeful. If you follow this routine, you won't just live longer, you will live better. Your new life starts today.